Are you sure we are in the right place?
Let me check the invite again.
Monster High.
Oh, well then, let's go inside. Wow! Moana!
Clawdeen.
Woohoo! I need a quick shower. Let's start with step 1.
Makeup. I want something light and natural.
Let's start with a light foundation. Pat it gently. Nice!
Let's do the eyeshadow next.
Oops!
I like it. Looking good. Time to color my cheeks.
So pretty!
Time for lipstick. Wow, I love it.
Step 2. Outfit.
I just wanna hold you.
Whoa!
I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, you smile. You're the solution.
This one.
You
Ugh! Oops! Sorry! This one.
never thought I'd meet someone like
So
you.
cringe.
You are the reason why I feel
I want a cool top.
thinking about you day and night. I love it
This.
when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, you make me smile. You're the solution.
Cool.
Doesn't match.
Too short. I like purple.
I like it.
It's too long.
I just wanna look into your eyes.
Yeah.
You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, 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 you are.
Love it.
Ugh.
This. No. This.
Got the feeling from the start. You might be the guy who break my heart. Hello,
Step 3.
hello.
Hair.
Even though I took a risk, it is worth the while for just one kiss. I know,
No.
just know it.
I want a pink hair.
The moment wanna spend every second
Here.
with you. Yeah.
So cute.
About you. Stuck in the middle. What can I do? Yeah. I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle. Right in between. Ooh.
Step 4.
Do you want me?
Accessories.
Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you.
Whoa.
You and I are so alike, and I guess it can be bad sometimes. Don't know. I don't. Even when you say let's go, I can see the hesitation.
Love it!